Namaste. Welcome to my astrological YouTube channel Akool Saral Jyotish Astrology Simplified. Today I have come up with a very interesting topic, the Kaal Hora, the needle of your destiny. By Kaal Hora, you would able to know your destiny pattern and the extent of growth in your life. So please remain tuned to the video until the end. You will learn a gem from here. You are going to learn something gem and jewel from here, from today's session. So let us start. Why to delay? Today I will show you how to calculate Kaal Hora and its application in a real life horoscope for Sureshot predictions to know your destiny pattern. Once you master Kaal Hora, which I will teach you now, you need not visit any astrologer asking your destiny pattern or the extent of career growth. So please listen me carefully, remain tuned to the video until the end. Kaal Hora must be calculated manually, I emphasize, as I always do it. Kaal Hora is not at all the same as the astrology enthusiasts are acquainted with normal hora. You will be committing a mistake if you think that Kaal Hora and normal hora is available in different astrological software and Panchang means almanac are the same. Never commit this mistake. These are two different things, Kaal Hora and normal hora. However, I have seen in Jagannath Hora, a free astrology software, that there is a mention of Mahakal Hora, which may be the same as Kaal Hora. I am not sure about the same. I prefer to calculate Kaal Hora manually, though it is time consuming, because Kaal Hora is very important and I do not want to take chance of committing mistake in the Kaal Hora, because it is very important. A Kaal Hora is of smaller duration than that of your Lagna. Lagna remain in a sign for 2 years. Kaal Hora in winter changes in 50 minutes before 1 hour. And during summer, the day Kaal Hora changes also before 1 hour. So it is almost half an hour, half of the Lagna duration. It is time sensitive more than the Lagna, and it exactly tells you your destiny pattern and the growth in your life. So please listen carefully, is my humble appeal to my all loved viewers. There are two types of Kaal Hora, that is day Kaal Hora and night Kaal Hora, with 12 each and a total of 24 Kaal Horas. Means during that time there will be 12 Kaal Hora and during night time there will be 12 Kaal Hora. Total comes to 24. The day's Kaal Hora is calculated, please listen me minutely, is calculated from the local sunrise local sunrise, the place of your birth, from the local sunrise up to the local sunset, there are 12 Kaal Hora. Similarly, the Night Kaal Hora is calculated from the local sunset to the next day's local sunrise. It is always your birthplace. There are also 12 Night Kaal Hora. 12 in the day, 12 in the night. Total 24. The duration of the daytime Kaal Hora and the nighttime Kaal Hora always differ from each other. Always differ from each other. Duration. There are also 12 Night Kaal Hora. The duration of daytime Kaal Hora and the nighttime Kaal Hora always differ from each other except on the days of equinox, when days and night are almost same. Otherwise, during summer, the days Kaal Hora of longer duration, and during winter, the night Kaal Hora are of longer duration. To work out the daytime Kaal Hora, divide the total time span from the local sunset to the local sunrise by 12. To work out the daytime Kaal Hora, divide the total time span from the local sunset to the local sunrise, means the same day's sunrise, by 12. Why 12? Because there are 12 Kaal Hora during a day. The quotient so arrived will be the duration of each daytime Kaal Hora on a given day. Means daytime means when there is sunrise, when there are sun rays, not during deep night portion. The quotient so arrived will be the duration of each daytime Kaal Hora on a given day. Day means during when you will be receiving the sunrise this day. You may ignore seconds. It will be very difficult, cumbersome. If you take not cumbersome, it will be time consuming. More time consuming if you take seconds into account. Suppose sun rise at a given place is 6:35, 6 hours, 6 am, 35 minutes and 14 seconds. For example, if you take 14 seconds, it will be difficult to calculate. Otherwise, you can take, it is up to you. It will be more precise. To work out the nighttime Kaal Hora, similarly divide the local time span, total time span, similarly divide the total time span from the local sunset to the next day's local sunrise by 12. The quotient so arrived will be the duration of each nighttime Kaal Hora on a given day. You may ignore seconds. It will not be difficult for you to learn if you want to learn Kaal Hora sincerely, because the narration is in the what is called video itself. You can visit video twice, thrice, 4 times, 100 times and learn it. The first Kaal Hora on a day is of the day itself. There will be a name of the Kaal Hora. The first Kaal Hora on a day is of the day itself. For Sunday, the first Kaal Hora would be of the sun. For example, a person was born on a Sunday, the first Kaal Hora would be of the sun. Then in going by the reverse order of weekdays, Then by going in reverse of the weekdays, not Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it would be reverse order. Sunday, Saturday, like this way, reverse order. Then in going by the reverse order of the weekdays, skipping one day, you have to skip one day. You will go reverse and then skip one day. I will tell you how. The next Kaal Hora would be of Venus, Friday. Why? After Sunday, if you go reverse, you will first find Saturday. Saturn is the Lord. Ignore. You have to skip one hora. Again going reverse, you will get Friday, means Venus. Means after Sun Hora on a Sunday, the day will open with Sun Hora followed by Venus Hora. In reverse counting, by skipping one day in the reverse order. Kaal Hora would be of the Sun. Then in going by the reverse order of the weekdays, skipping one day, the next Kaal Hora would be of Venus, Friday. Then Mercury, Wednesday. Then Moon, Monday. Then Saturn, Saturday. Then Jupiter, Thursday, and so on. Go on reverse order by skipping one day. And the Lord of the day would be the Kaal Hora Lord. Opening with the first Kaal Hora would be of the first Kaal Hora during sunrise would be of the day. In case of Sunday, it would be of the Sun. Then it would be of Venus, reverse order. Then it would be of Mercury. Then it would be of Moon. Then it would be of Saturn. You have to skip one. Then it would be of Venus in this way. Reverse way, skipping one. They will be the Lord of the Kaal Hora. Would be of Venus, Friday, then Mercury. I have written days for you to understand better. Otherwise, there is no need to mention days. And then Mercury, Wednesday, then Moon, Monday, then Saturn, Saturday, then Jupiter, Thursday. In this way, so that you can remember. And so on. The planetary lordship sequence of the Kaal Hora matches the planetary lordship sequence of the normal hora. Got my point? No. The planetary lordship sequence of the Kaal Hora matches the planetary lordship sequence of the normal hora, which you can check with the Vedic Panchang website under the section Shubh Horai. Why I have told you, it may be difficult for you initially. Shubh Horai's lordship and that of Kaal Horai's lordship are the same. It will be open Vedic Panchang, type Shubh Horai, you will get like this only. First, on a Sunday, it will be first of the sun. Then the next Kaal Hora would be of Venus. Then the third hora, Kaal Hora, would be of Mercury. In this way it will go. But duration would be different. The duration of normal hora and the duration of Kaal Hora never matches. Duration would be different, and we will be taking a wrong decision if you follow the normal hora in the Vedic Panchang. Just for your facility, just for your convenience to understand the things initially, I am referring you to visit Vedic Panchang, www.vedic.panchang.com. Then type in the search browser Shubh Horai, you will get it. The order you will get, not the duration. That is the duration of normal hora, not Kaal Hora. To understand the concept practically, let us take the horoscope of Srimati Indira Gandhi, a former Prime Minister of India, for working out her birth time Kaal Hora, at which Kaal Hora she was born. It is very important. You will be amazed by observing its what is called result giving ability. You will be amazed. I will show you, apply in your horoscope, apply in the horoscope of others. You will be amazed. It will tell you it is your destiny pattern. Your growth is that much only. It will tell you pinpointedly by showing its finger, sir, it is your destiny pattern. You cannot go beyond that. You will be amazed. You will be surprised. It is very important. So, learn it first. Before application, learn it first. If you don't know. If you know, then it is okay. Srimati Indira Gandhi was born on Monday. It is important. Calendar day. Monday, 19th November 1917 at 11:11 p.m. night at Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. The local sunrise, means the sunrise time of Allahabad, was at 6:27:45 a.m. The sunset at 17:10:43 p.m. and the next day's sunrise was at 6:28:30 a.m. in hour, minute, second format. Isn't it? So, how many components you require to arrive at Kaal Hora? First, the day is required because the first Kaal Hora is of the day. In case of Monday, it would be of the moon. And you have to minus, in case of daytime birth, you have to minus the sunrise time from the sunset time, because sunset time is bigger than the sunrise time. Isn't it? And during midnight birth, never change the day, because Hindu calendar changes on the Sunday at the sunrise only, at the next day sunrise. Hindu days changed at the local sunrise, not at the previous midnight. So please do not change the day at the previous midnight at 24 hours, means 00:00:00 hours. Please do not change the day. It would be, if in case it is Sunday, let it allow to continue. It will be Sunday. The Monday will commence from the next day sunrise. The total daytime duration from the sunrise to the sunset was 10 hours 43 minutes. The total daytime duration from the sunrise to the sunset was 10 hours 43 minutes. How? From sunset, I have subtracted the sunrise time. From sunset time, I have minused the sunrise time. So it was the duration of the day was of 10 hours 43 minutes. By dividing 10 hours 43 minutes by a constant of 12, we get the duration of each daytime hora at 54 minutes. It is here you calculate, practice. The total nighttime duration from the local sunset from the local sunset to the next day's local sunrise was around 13 hours because it was winter. The night was bigger than the day hours. Duration of the night was longer than the duration of the day because it was winter. November is winter. The total nighttime duration from the local sunset to the next day's local sunrise was around 13 hours. By dividing 13 hours by 12, we get the duration of each nighttime hora at 1 hour and 6 minutes, which takes us to Mars Kaal Hora at the time of our birth, at the time of the birth of Srimati Indira Gandhi, which means that she was born under Mars Kaal Hora. Now I am coming to very interesting point. You will be surprised when I will explain. We would therefore examine Mars in our horoscope for our destiny pattern. It is the horoscope of Srimati Indira Gandhi. Mars is with Cancer ascendant. Mars is the Yoga Karaka. First plus point, it is the Yoga Karaka being 5th Lord and 10th Lord. She was born in the Kaal Hora of Yoga Karaka. Means yoga, means prize, prized birth, prized birth. Yoga Karaka, Mars. Mars is also the 10th Lord. Mars is unafflicted and unexpected. So she was taking independent decisions. She was, what is the character of Mars? Tejas, power. Mars is power. Tejas, raw energy. So she was Tejashini. We all know she was Tejashini. She was full of Tejas. Tejas means energy. Mars is the Karaka of energy. It was the Yoga Karaka. So, destiny pattern was reflected by the Kaal Hora Lord at a glance. It was not afflicted, it is not expected. No outside influence. Independent. In the horoscope of Srimati Indira Gandhi, Mars, the Kaal Hora Lord at her birth, is the Yoga Karaka, being Lord of the 5th and 10th houses. Mars is unafflicted and unexpected, indicating that she was born to live an independent life like a powerful king. Who can live independent life? A powerful king. Since Mars represents Tejas, splendor, and she was the Tejashini Prime Minister of India. Magnificent. She was magnificent. Nobody could look directly at her eyes to challenge her. She was magnificent. Those who have seen her front to front, they know her glow, the divine glow which was within her, on her face. Divine glow. Tejashini. You would not able to speak to her by looking at her eyes. You have to bend your head down. So, it is the Dashamsa chart of Srimati Indira Gandhi. In our Dashamsa chart, the Birth Kaal Hora Lord, Mars is exalted. Exalted. Means, what is the D10 chart? D10 chart is of great success. Means great success in life. She was Prime Minister. Great success. Great destiny. And unafflicted. It is expected by only Venus, who is a natural benefic. In D10 chart of great success, her Kaal Hora Lord, Mars is exalted without any malefic influence. She was a successful person, being the Prime Minister for almost 15 years. D12 chart of father. Her father was Prime Minister, the first Prime Minister of India. See, Mars is in the 10th house. In D12 chart of parents with Taurus Lagna, Mars is in the 10th house Aquarius. When Mars is in the 10th house means it is directionally strong. Her father was Prime Minister. Just at glancing, once you master the calculation part, I have made it, I have tried my level best to make it easy, the calculation part. Now it is up to you how much you can master. In the D12 chart of Tejashwini, Indira Gandhi, the Birth Kaal Hora Lord, Mars is in the 10th house and is directionally strong. Her father, Jawaharlal Nehru, was the first Prime Minister of independent India, which the Birth Kaal Hora Lord, Mars, shows. Once you can locate the correct Birth Kaal Hora Lord, you will be able to precisely predict the destiny pattern of a person just at glancing through his horoscope and the level of his growth in life. Kaal Hora Lord can be used for multiple purposes, like in Murta astrology, Prashna Kundali, etc., which I will discuss in some other videos, depending on your love and affection towards me. If you subscribe, I will think you want such kind of videos. If you subscribe, if you give like, if you give comments, depending on your love and affection towards me, I will bring. Those are also very important. But I get disheartened when I see liking is in very low number and subscription is very low, response is very low, very poor, there is no comment. It is a educational channel. You have to devote time to learn something, otherwise you will feel bored. It is not a Dainik Rashifal video that you will see something and run with what is called with great expectation and hope that today I am going to be a king, because it has been shown in the it has been told in the Dainik Rashifal. All farce. Please, if you want to learn astrology, I am teaching astrology free of cost here. Such a content will not be available in any forum, in any open forum. It will not be available. So, if you have liked the video, please give liking. You need not pay anything. Please comment. I will clarify your doubt. Share so that the knowledge disseminate, and subscribe to the channel as a token of your love and affection towards me. and as also gratefulness, and as also token of gratefulness, because we have learned something which no other teacher share in free forum, freely, that I have shared. Namaste. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching.